Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to give you a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to get started with AutoDS, the best dropshipping tool. Simply click the link in the description box to access the platform. So, let's jump right in. To begin dropshipping on AutoDS, head over to the AutoDS website. Click on Start Now. Enter your email address, full name, and password. Next, select your selling channel. Choose the right package for your business needs, review the features and benefits of each package, and select the one that suits you best. Once you've found the right package, select it and enter your payment details. Now, let's add our first store. Click on Add Store or select it from the top left menu. Choose your store according to your package. Enter the URL of your website and accept the connection process between your store and the AutoDS system. The store is now added. The next step is to import your first product. Let's choose a product from a supplier, like Amazon. Search for any products and copy the URL of the product. Head back to the AutoDS platform and click on Add Products from the top left menu. Select Single Product. Paste the URL and ensure the supplier source and region are correct. Click Edit. In just a second, all the product information is imported into the draft section of your store. Here, you can optimize the product details, including the title, collection, tags, country location, brand monitoring, automation, description, variations, and images. Once optimized, click Save and Import. The product will move from the draft section to the products page, where it will go live on your store. Customers can now see and purchase the product. When you receive an order, click on Orders from the left side menu to view all customer orders. Running a successful dropshipping business with AutoDS is simple. With automation features like automatic price monitoring, stock monitoring, and quick product importing, success is within reach. That's all for today. Click the link in the description to try AutoDS now. Thank you for watching.